Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Myself Kanajike studying in Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today I am going to represent the topic Annova techniques and basic principles for mathematics for computer science. Introduction to Annova. Analysis of variance is a statistical method used to compare among three or more groups. It helps to determine at least one group mean which is significantly different from others. An analysis tool which is used to statistics that splits and absorbed aggregated variability found inside a data set into two parts, like systematic factors and random factors. ANOVA is widely used in various fields including physiology, medicine, and agriculture. Basic principles of ANOVA, which is independent variable and dependent variable. ANOVA assesses the impact of categorical independent variables on a continuous dependent variable. It partitions the total variance into variance attributed the groups and variance with the groups. The method uses the F statistic to evaluate the ratio between two group variance to within a group variance, which is in variable that is which change in independent variable and which is affected by the change of the independent dependent variable. Types of ANOVA. One-way ANOVA compares means across one dependent variable with multiple levels. Two-way ANOVA examines the influence of two independent variables and their interaction on a dependent variable. ANOVA in one way, which is between two rows, and two-way ANOVA, which is a residual error which is occur in the ANOVA techniques. Two-way ANOVA examines the influence of two independent variables and the interaction which is a dependent variable. Repeated measures ANOVA is used when the same subjects are used under different conditions. Assumptions of ANOVA. ANOVA assumes that the samples are independent and randomly selected from the population. It requires the data be normally distributed within each group being comparison. Homogeneity of variance or equal variances among groups is also a crucial assumption. Conducting in a one-way ANOVA, which is HI is movable and it is less than and it is equal to. Start by formulating the null hypothesis, which states that all group means are which is equal. Calculate the F statistic using the ratio of the variance between two groups, variance within groups. Compare the calculated F statistic to critical value from the F distribution table to determine significance. Post-hoc test. If ANOVA results is significant, post-hoc tests identify the specific group means differ, which is observation independent in the restructure or unduplicate data, which is all sample sizes and normally assumption made. Common post-hoc tests including Turkish SST, Bonofreni and escape tests. And these tests control for type 1 error while making multiple comparisons among group means. Two-way ANOVA. Two-way ANOVA explains and evaluates the influence of two independent variables on a dependent variable simultaneously. It can reveal interaction effects showing how one independent variable affects the dependent variable at different levels of other variable. Results are represented in the ANOVA, which is a table includes main effects and interaction effects. Repeated measures ANOVA. Repeated measures ANOVA is suitable for data collected from the same subject over different conditions or time points. It accounts for the correlation between repeated measures, enhancing statistical powers from type 1 to 2, 2 to 3, which measure variable blood pressure in a level 1, level 2, level 3. These analyses assess whether there are significant differences in means across different conditions. Applications of ANOVA. ANOVA is frequently used in experimental research to analyze the effects of treatments. It helps to quality control process to compare product performance across different manufacturing conditions. ANOVA is also applied in clinical trials to assess the efficiency of different dosage level of treatment materials and modalities. Conclusion. Here, ANOVA is a powerful statistical tool for comparing means across multiple groups. Understanding its assumptions, types, and procedures is essential for proper application. It enables researchers to draw meaningful conclusions about group differences in a various fields, which is in 121, 121, 0.4 and 0.553 in a between researches. Thank you guys. Like, share, subscribe.